Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no GPS approximate location error in Waze. If Waze can detect your exact location or keeps showing this message, don't worry. Here are the best ways to fix the problem. First, make sure your location services are turned on. Open your phone settings, tap location, and confirm that it's enabled. If your device supports precise location, make sure that's turned on as well. Next, check Waze location permissions. Go to Settings, find Waze, tap Location, and set the permission to while using the app or always, depending on your preference. This allows Waze to access your GPS correctly. After that, turn your GPS off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your location signal and often resolves temporary GPS issues. You should also make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection is stable because Waze relies on an internet connection for maps, traffic updates, and accurate navigation. If the error still appears, restart your phone and open Waze again. Then check the App Store or Google Play Store for any available Waze updates, since newer versions often include bug fixes. Finally, disable battery saver or low power mode while using Waze, as these features can limit GPS performance and cause location accuracy issues. And that's it. That's how you can fix the no GPS approximate location error in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.